What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today I am going to show you how you can create unlimited Gmail accounts without using a phone number. So let's have it. So first, open up your web browser and go to Google Cloud Skills Boost. So let's just click on the first link in here. And once you are in here, click on sign in, and let's just sign in with Google. Now after that, you need to read through the terms and services and click on I'm not a robot, and go ahead and click on I accept. So once that is done, go ahead and go to explore. And here you can scroll down, and from formats, click on lab. So once in here, you will see a timer. So let's click on start lab. And you notice that after that, it is going to give you your username, password, and project ID. So go to a website, say for example from YouTube. Now let's sign out from this account. So let's sign in again, and let's sign in with another account. Now let's use these credentials from Google. So let's copy the username. Let's paste it in here and click on next. Now after that, let's copy the password. And let's paste it here and click on next. And just like that, you have your new account. So just click on I understand, and you can repeat this process all over again until your requirements are satisfied. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.